What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're going to go over Wojak, which is down 14.2% at 4936 micro pennies. So we currently have $4.1 million in liquidity, $34.2 million market cap. So let's get it. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Wojak to the moon. We actually aren't looking too shabby, especially after the initial coin launch. This happens on pretty much every coin. You have a huge pump, then you have a large retracement. Then once you find some common ground, you start your normal price action. So if we draw from the high to the low here, what we currently are experiencing is a break back below the 786. Unfortunately, we could not hold that 786 support. The next support's the 618 down here around 37245. Now, I know people don't want to hear that, but that is an opportunity for this coin to retrace approximately another 24%. The MACD is still bearish, making a larger engulfing candle today. And then your RSI is pointing in lower highs and lower lows, which is bearish. On top of that, we got a double sell signal on the WTX, and we're starting to see a retracement from that point. The the WTX support uptrend is right down here, so I would expect this to head down to around 2.4. If you look at the RSI uptrend is, I think, currently being tested or very, very close to be. Yes, we're very close to being tested of that uptrend support area as well. So in my personal opinion, I do think Wojak's probably going down to around 3645 before we see a reversal back to the upside. And if you think that's bearish, it definitely is not. If you go all the way back to October of 2023, we've been putting in higher highs and higher lows ever since then. That is the pattern that you want to look for in your coins. A very, very nice step up pattern. Step up patterns can continue forever. Patterns like this, coins where that go straight parabolic, are always followed by heavy crashes and then long-term lulls. So Wojak already experienced that. Now we're seeing normal price action, which is higher highs and higher lows, which is a very bullish thing. I just think in the short term, Wojak's going to retrace a little bit more, probably back down to around that, 37,000 micro penny area. And then we can push up higher from there. So slightly bearish on the short term for Wojak, but overall, I think Wojak's performed exceptionally well during the bull run, especially with the small market have only 34 million guys, and it has really, really good liquidity. So just slight pullback. I wouldn't be too worried about it. If anything, that just gives you more opportunity to DCA at a lower level and then, buy low, sell high. And if we did break out from there, our next high would bring us over the all-time high. We'd be heading up to that 1236 at around 0021. So that's my theory. That is my plan on Wojak. Even if you look at the uptrend support area, that kind of validates that as well. Coming back down to that 618 area right here to see a convergence bounce, then head higher. So I am slightly bearish on the short term. Overall, I'm super bullish on it long term with that. None of this is financial advice. And if you send me a super chat in the comments, I'll chart your coin within 24 hours. Thank you.